Hi guys, so today's a fun day because I'm gonna be cutting my brother's and my dad's hair. They're doing work right now, you might hear them in the background. So thus far I've been practicing on this random head that I for some reason have. And thus far I've chopped off, I've been working with the scissors, so I chopped off, I chopped off all this hair just to prepare for when I'm gonna go in with the clippers, which is what I need to work on, because like scissors aren't that hard to use. But I got a good feel for them. So I'm gonna go get the clippers and I'm gonna try cutting this doll's hair so that I don't completely fail on my brother's. Okay, I relocated to the deck because we needed an outlet. And here I have my head, and I dampened her hair. And we're just gonna try it. So right here I have my number 3 guard and my number 4 guard. So we're gonna go in first around here, around the edges, and like this first section with the number 3. And then we'll switch to the number 4 as it gets kind of closer up here. We're gonna keep it long on the top and do mostly just scissor work there. That's my plan right now. We'll see if maybe I wanna go a little bit shorter, but that's my plan as of right now.
I'm not gonna put my head like that when you shake me.
Thus far, I've not completely messed up yet, so that's good. What? This? Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Did you not watch the videos yet?
I did! That's what I've been doing. Now I'm gonna go in with number 6. Just up around the top of the head more. See what that looks like. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with scissors and cut the rest so that it actually looks kind of decent. But I think I did pretty well so far. I think it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. So it's a win for me so far. Let's go in with scissors. The thing that's really screwing me up is that when I was working with his head, just for fun one day, and cutting off his hair because it's better to cut off this hair than mine, I gave it like weird micro bangs. And now I don't really know what to do with that. But I might just try to ignore them. I'm gonna do a lot of my work with the thinning brush just because it will give a nice cleaner edge. Not cleaner edge, the opposite of clean edge, faded edge. Guys, I think I'm finished. I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. I messed up a tiny bit right there. There's a little bit of a shelf right there, just very slightly. But I know what I did wrong, so I won't make the same mistake. And is it a fashionable haircut? No. Is the hair cut and it doesn't look bad? Yes. So they have to finish doing their yard work and then take a shower, but I will be ready to go, ready to cut their hair. We'll be back in a little bit. It'll be like hours for me, but 0 seconds for you. So let's cut to that. This is where the real excitement begins. First cut of the day.
It's weird not having a mirror. We had a mirror.
Because if I'm just making everywhere shorter, I can
Yes.
just kind of
Yes.
cut everywhere.
I think they usually kind of go like in rows, you know what I mean? Like
Like
whatever.
methodically.
Sorta.
Yeah, you can start near the root of the hair. Work your way right there. So like, starting on this side.
Oh. Oops, I started on the other side.
Well, I think that the problem that would arise in that way is that like, so if you start over here, right, and you cut it shorter, then it's like more defined where that ended, and so you know where to pick up next. But like, I'm sure we'll get there eventually.
I guess I'll start over here then. Well, I'll just go over here now.
We'll get where we need to be in time. It's okay.
Now we're using my favorite scissors. The little thinning ones. We're just gonna thin it out a little bit. Along here. I feel like I'm gonna use these for a lot of Andrew.
Yep.
Because that's the look he likes. Andrew, are you excited?
That's how I got it.
Are you excited to get your haircut?
Yeah.
Sit down.
Well,
good.
this picture.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
So Andrew, what do you want?
What are we doing today?
3 on the
That's what
sides.
Mrs. always asking. What are we doing today?
3 on the sides. Just like a little bit off the top, I guess.
Just with scissors?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Look at all this hair. I'm sorry about that. It went down your
Okay,
back.
I'll brush it all off.
Okay, good. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yes. Success. Yeah, your mom has to come and take her picture. Oh. Yes, I will. Okay. Well, guys, I finished. It was stressful, but successful. I think that this lighting's bad. I think that I did a great job with all of them. In my humble opinion, I think I'm great and I'm the best haircutter there's ever been. I'm kidding. I think that my future sons will never be going to a Great Clips because, like, I can do it. I think that I did a great job. Oh, here comes my dad. He's gonna sweep it away. But before, I'm gonna show you all of this hair, guys. Blech, disgusting. Blech, But yeah, that's it, guys. Until the next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.